guys! Welcome back to another adventure, and now we're on our way to Pampanga kasi piling ni Bebe and si Cal ngayon yung nagda-drive, kami is passenger seat lang.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely.
Awful!
Parang muna ako yung ano sa Bebe. Kasi meron sa likod dito.
Welcome to all. Early.
Pining. Saan bus diretso? Building 5. Okay, thank you.
May pasok ko yun, Be? Wala.
Can you building 5?
Ay, hindi pa pasokan. Ganito pala sa...
Laki pa natin yung skunahan. Yawak din pala to. Yawak pala. Tapos na sila? Saglitan lang yan.
Ayun sa doon. Hindi kanina pa yung 8.
Alas 8, tapos yun lang. Ayun po din mas malapit. Ito malapit.
Kasi piling ni Bebe.
Alto.
Kasi magpipiling din kami eh. Kaya sumama na kami.
Pining, hairpin.
Piling kasi ng mga medtech ngayon.
Kaya
Si Bebe. Masa ka punta? Ito nga pala.
CRB na naman.
Oo.
And as well, the leadership coordinator of Wangfu Laguna, Ma'am Jordan Nansay.
Internship Coordinator, Ma'am Sheila, our faculty, our distinguished guests, our dear students and their families. As you celebrate this significant milestone in your journey, congratulations po sa ating lahat.
Hi guys, ito pala school ni Bebe.
Ano? Ano sabihin mo?
Namagaba yung ano ko.
Tapos nag-ihi muna ako.
Ay, doon na sa taas! Oh. Okay, taas po kami.
Afternoon to each and everyone. Our warmest greetings to our beloved and ever supportive team, Dr. Jose Jorel Memo, our esteemed guest speaker, Ms. Yuravi Pires, our university chaplain, Reverend Father Nick Lalo,
And I am called to as
Your masters of ceremonies encourage your servant to always swim high and rise to the top.
Tapos na, event.
We're here pala sa QQ Bake Club. Pinuntahan namin to kasi nakita namin sa Facebook na super aesthetic niya. And to try namin yung coffee nila and yung pastry nila. Let's go. Pasok tayo sa loob.
Signature chocolate lang.
Oo. Signature chocolate na lang ayun o yung ice.
Chocolate, yan na yun. Nice muna.
Sige, yun na lang. Sige yung crack.
Lumili.